guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. So I'm actually getting ready for a phone interview. So I wanted to do a makeup look that looked completely natural. No highlight or contour, none of that. So this is my no makeup look. For those of you who have dry skin, this is the perfect video for you because I am struggling right now with this North Carolina winter. So I make sure that I use very hydrating products, and I also made this full face or full coverage. I struggle with scarring. I struggle a little bit with acne. So if you like the no makeup look but you still love full coverage, this is the perfect video for you. This moisturizer is amazing for dry skin. It has the perfect amount of hydration, and it also has 40 SPF, and on top of that, it does not get oily. Work, 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 work. You see me have you work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. Where you walk a line, I'm in the game. Rihanna's Pro Filter Primer is also a very great choice because very moisturizing. My skin is so cracked up from this winter, and it just gives me the perfect amount of moisture. This is a personal favorite. I usually use this on the apples of my cheeks and anywhere where I want to have an extreme highlight, but since my entire face is dry, I'm going to go ahead and spread this on my entire face. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my vision. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work it to me, I'll be work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see the true. I hope that you see the true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. It's me, I feel work. It's me, do me that. Tell me about that work.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over, sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all work.
You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. Where you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, man. Drive me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Rihanna's foundation is a medium to full coverage, which means you can build it up. I love to use her sponge because it's easier to build it. When I had her brush, it was just way too sheer. It sheared out the product so much that I had to use like 3 coats. So I definitely recommend getting a sponge if you do have scarring. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in a righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my vision. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. I see a few imperfections peeking through, so I'm going to go ahead one more time with my caramel Matchstix just to cover up everything. And I love Rihanna's line because you can build it up and it still doesn't look extremely cakey. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. Wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. Work it to me, I'll be work. You see me do me dirty. Tell me about that work. You see me do me dirty. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please.
So here I'm going in with my Real Techniques crease brush because it's very dense, so it helps buff out the product. I'm just buffing out the very edges so that I don't move the product away from what I'm trying to cover up.
Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I will never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see the truth. I hope that you see the truth. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work. It's me, I feel work. It's me, do me, tell me about that.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come over. Sorry if I'm...
So here I'm using one last pump of Fenty Beauty Foundation in color 370 just so that I can get the full coverage. Now I am MAC NC45. NC45 wasn't the best match for me, but it was the closest, I guess. It left me very red. So if you're trying to choose from NC45 going into Fenty Beauty, I'd say start out trying 350, 360, or 370. Here I'm going in with Makeup Forever's translucent powder just to set my eyelids because if I don't, they end up creasing throughout the day.
Hey, less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my...
Normally I'd go in and, you know, just really go in and really go hard with this concealer underneath my eyes. But since this is a no makeup look, just a little stripe will work.
Tonight, I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need face to face. You could pick the time and the place. You'll spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all
I'm also setting my under eyes with translucent powder. I would have used the Sacha Buttercup, but I didn't want any extra or like artificial color or too much of a highlight. I love the NARS Casino bronzer because it's very natural and it just gives my skin a very like nice natural glow. The rum stick. I swear this is like the holy grail. I absolutely love it. Do you see the shimmer? Like, do you see it? It's so faint and so dainty, but it's just so natural. So I definitely recommend everybody to get it, honestly. I'm wetting my Fenty Beauty sponge and going ahead and applying my Pro Sculpt Duo 2 just to set the highlight that I just previously placed. And this is also a very nice natural sheen.
You see me do me dirt. Tell me about that work. Where you walk I'm in the cafe, drive me, I deserve it. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. You lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous.
Because my lips are so melanated, I really absolutely love this color. It honestly looks like a clear gloss with a tiny bit of tint.
Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe all in your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my patience. You took my heart and my sleep a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for fun.
So for this look, I'm only setting my face with the Mario Badescu Rosewater spray because this is a hydrating video, so I don't want to use any de-slicking or mattifying anything.
All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had.
Thank you so so much for taking the time to watch my video today, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.